Severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leland to near Serena to near Ottawa, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somonauk, Minooka, Millbrook, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Dayton, Bristol, Millington, Plano, Assunpink, Lisbon, Wedren, Sheridan, Sandwich, Platteville, Norway, Yorkville, Newark, Little Rock, Serena, Montgomery, Channahon, Morris, Plainfield, and Aurora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather.